Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Lenovo Tab P11 Gen 2. You need to start by opening Play Store on both devices and clicking on the search bars. Now type in Send Anywhere and get this free app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. In order to continue, you need to do exactly the same on both devices. First of all, click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, you can click on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by choosing OK. Next, please select Send at the bottom left corner of your Android and Receive next to Send at the bottom of Lenovo. Then go back to Android smartphone and select all of those categories at the top. You can tap on all of those type of dots to choose your files from this category. You can also just tap on the chosen one. Then tap on Send next to Selected to continue. And tap on Got It in here some tip pop-up. Now select the best connection way for you. In order to scan this QR code, click on this scanning icon next to User Guide on Lenovo. Allow camera access by tapping on while using or only this time. And point your tablet's camera at the code. If you want to input this key instead, you need to click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers from Android, and then connect using Receive button. Over here, select the best option for your apps. Yes, I agree, or no, thanks. Then tap on Close this window. And as you can see after that, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!